let's enjoy it and have some fun. Thanks for coming, guys.
If we are talking to each other nicely, let's stay positive all the time. No negative. Muna anopotsa tako, not kuti ari kuda kupotsa tako. He wants to put his body on the line, that's why he's here. So kana tako yapotswa, we cover for him and we talk later.
Yes, cool.
Not kuti apotsa takutanga kutaura, not today. And when it's time to play, let's stay positive all the way from the first whistle to the end. Guys, and it's the game is really for us to win. And we playing as underdogs. I'm telling you, they are like what is Manicaland, what. We are going to shock them today. If you want to win, we'll win this game.
Let's win boys.
Let's forget about every it's a first try or whatever. But let's stay away from the ref. We know Marefa and Abasa, we are here to play this game. Forget about everything. Let's put our bodies on the line. That's why we can't go back. We can't come all the way from there to play shit here. And we need to play good rugby. We need to give them tough time, and we've got quality here to win this game. We've got quality. We work on the negatives and we come back harder. Can I tell you so? A passionate team root roll this year. Can I tell you so? A passionate any other team root roll. You get this. When you stick in our head, a passionate team root roll is a very score like us. Thank you, man. Boys, a good stuff.